Today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to set up a free Gmail email account. The first thing you want to do is go down to your browser. I'm going to use Firefox. Then what you do is you'll go up and in the URL search bar, you're going to type in gmail.com, which will take you to either this page or it'll take you to this page. And from here, you're just going to put in your name. Then we're going to put in a username of some sort. This is a fictitious name, by the way. It's not my name. Then we're going to put in a password. Hit next. And it doesn't like the username, so let's go ahead and pick one of these down here. It'll keep the password. Let's go ahead and hit next. Now it's going to ask you for a phone number. I don't always like to put my phone number into these places, but let's go ahead and do that. Next. Then it's going to ask for a verification code. Let's see if we get one in here on my phone. And there we go. We got our verification number. There's my verification number. I'm going to verify it. Then it wants to know if I want to use this in the future. I can take it out if I want to, or I can leave it in. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And I can set up a recovery email address, which is also optional if I'd like. So if you get locked out of your account, you would want to put in a phone number or an optional email address. It's really good in case you get locked out. It's some people forget their passwords once in a while if they lose their cookies or something along that line. And then you want to put in your birthday. I just make up something here. And then you can put in your gender if you want. If you don't put in your birthday, it's going to bark at you. So you have to put that in. But your phone number and your recovery are both optional. Next. It's going to ask you to accept the privacy and terms. So let's go ahead and just say agree. And hopefully this should get us into our Gmail account. And there we go. Looks like we're loading Gmail. And it seems to be taking a little while. And it just wants to go through a few opening screens here. You know, welcome screen. I want you to choose a different view or a view. You can pick the default. You can pick a comfortable screen or look, or a compact look. I just go with the default usually. Say OK. Once you get into your Gmail account, you'll be able to change some of the settings. You see here that the account has already been created. You can choose a theme. You can import your contacts and mail from other email providers. You can get your email or Gmail on mobile, which is nice. And you can change your profile image. And then, of course, if you want to learn how to use Gmail, you can click on that. Once you go through the setup process, you can click this to close it. If you get back into your Gmail and you go, oh, I want to go back to that setup process, you go up here to the gear, click on that. And go down here to Gmail setup. It'll take you right back here so you can go through these to change your settings. You don't have to do these, but they're in here. We're going to go through some of these in future videos. So let's close this and close this. Please check out my other videos on the right here. I've got a good video on how to set up dark mode inside of Gmail. And I've got another video on how to secure Chrome. These are really popular videos on the site or on Geek Advisor. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.